Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I am making a rice flour dessert, soft spongy pitha soaked in sweet jaggery milk. A traditional style dessert with a modern easy twist. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 1 cup rice flour. Add 1½ cup water. Mix well to make a smooth batter. Make a smooth lump-free batter. Cover and keep aside for 20 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon ghee, ½ teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix well. Grease oil in an Appe pan. Pour the batter into the mold. Cook on low heat for 5 minutes until soft and cooked. In a pan, add 2 cups milk and let it boil. Remove from heat and cool for 5 minutes. Keep aside the pithas. Cook on low heat to avoid burning. Do not overcook the pitha. Add ½ cup melted jaggery and mix well. Now add the prepared pitha into the milk. Soak properly for best texture. Soak for 30 minutes. Serve soft and sweet. Rice flour desserts are popular in many Asian cultures. Jaggery adds natural sweetness and rich flavor. Pitha is a traditional festive food. Soaking makes it soft and juicy. Rice flour is gluten-free and easy to digest. Jaggery is a natural sweetener. Milk provides calcium and protein. Homemade desserts are healthier. Your soft rice flour dessert is ready. Serve and enjoy this traditional sweet. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy recipes.